Alright, hello everyone, this is Ohio Travels with Chris, and the next video is a tour of our room at Kalazooo. It kind of starts quick, because I wasn't sure how long hubby would be getting all the luggage from the car. So, I'm going to have to do some voiceovers, because I forgot that the audio was still off. So, I hope you enjoy. Alrighty, this is the entryway in our room, and to the left is the bathroom, and to the right are closet spaces. Alrighty, we're going to the main room, or to the bathroom, and good sized shower, and some mood lighting. It's really nice. Okay, into the main room, and we have on your right the coffee pot, which is a Keurig, and a microwave and a refrigerator. It's kind of small, but it held what we had. Then we have a nice chair and a small table as you come in, and a clock on the side of the table. Now we have a desk and the good size TV. It might have been like a 32 or 40 inch. And we have the air condition and the blinds for the window. We were up on the 4th floor, so it wasn't too bad. And we had plenty of outlets, regular outlets, and several USB ports too. I mean, we had more outlets there than we did at our other location. Hope you enjoyed the